Good day everyone. In this video, we will add OneLogin MFA as a secondary authentication for users of One Identity Safeguard for Privileged Passwords or SPP. For this configuration, you should have a OneLogin tenant. Let's head on over to OneLogin and go to Administration, Developers, API Credentials. Click New Credential, then type in the name of this new API credential. Then select Manage All, then click Save. Take note of the client ID and the client secret as we'll be using those later. Then click Done. Let's head on over to SPP, go to Appliance Management, Safeguard Access, Identity and Authentication. Click the plus button and select OneLogin MFA. Type in the name of the source, type in a description if preferred, type in the DNS hostname of your OneLogin tenant in the form of subdomain.onelogin.com. Paste the client ID and client secret from earlier, then click OK. So after this, let's head on over to User Management, Users, and let's select a user. Go to Authentication, then select Require Secondary Authentication, and select the OneLogin MFA that we have configured earlier. Then click OK. The last step is to configure the security factor of the users. One important thing here is that the email of the users that will be using OneLogin for MFA should be the same email in both SPP and OneLogin. So let's log in as the user. Let's click on User Profile. Then click on Security Factors and then Add Factor. So depending on the factors configured in OneLogin, you can select the one preferred. So here we are using the OneLogin Protect app. So click Activate and then scan the QR code using the OneLogin Protect app on your mobile phone. So once registered, you can now use the OneLogin Protect app as your second factor. So when the user logs into SPP, the user will then be requested for a second factor, seen here. You can accept. Then once accepted, you'll be logged in to SPP. With this, OneLogin MFA is now configured as a secondary authentication provider for SPP.